Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is a fried fish recipe, topse fry. Yes, Bengalis one of the most favorite fried fish recipe is a topse fry. So let's get into my kitchen to prepare crunchy, crispy topse fry. So let's get started. First, we're going to prepare a paste to marinate the fishes. For that, I have taken 6 to 8 garlic cloves and 1 red onion and 1 inch ginger that I have taken into a mixing jar so that I can grind it out. To it, add fresh coriander leaves. Don't only add the leaves, you can add the stem also because it has also the flavor. Now I'm adding half teaspoon lemon juice and add the mint leaves. A fistful of mint leaves will do. To it add the green chili. I have added 1 green chili. You can add the chili according to your taste. Now grind it out. Don't add any other water. Without water it can get grinded well. Now I have taken fishes, topse fishes, 10 fishes, medium and the small size fishes are here. Add the paste and you coat the fishes well. To it add the salt also. I have added half a teaspoon salt. Now you coat every fishes properly. Fishes has to be cleaned, that is obvious, before you marinate this. Now you cover it with a tight lid and keep it for marination 20 to 30 minutes. We're going to prepare a batter for frying the fishes. We will going to prepare the batter with 1 cup of gram flour and half a cup of rice flour. To it add other spices so that it turns out very much crunchy and crispy. I have added half a teaspoon poppy seeds and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, one-fourth teaspoon red chili powder, and black cumin 1/4 teaspoon, and the salt as required. You can add half a teaspoon salt. Remember, we have added salt when we were marinating the fishes, so add accordingly to your taste. Now give all the dry ingredient a good mix. We will going to add water now. Don't add water at a time, just bit by bit you add the water, otherwise it will turn into a slurry. We don't want a slurry, we want a thick mixture so that the coated marinated fish can be dipped and fried. The consistency has to be like that. Now we're going to fry the fishes. I have used here mustard oil. You also use the mustard oil, then you will get the taste in the restaurant style. Just when turn into smoky, then you turn the flame off and let it cool down. Then again you turn the flame on and then you will cook everything. This is how the pungent smell of the mustard oil will go away. Now take the marinated fish, dip into the batter and put it into the oil. You will do the way I am showing it. Just keep the marinated fishes into the batter and turn it so it get coated with the batter properly. Then you will put into the karai. At this time, keep the flame low. When you are done with all the fishes putting into karai, then you keep the flame medium to high. Don't overcrowd the kadai, otherwise the fishes will gonna stick together. Now fry the fishes. Turn it, flip it, and fried it properly. When this fishes turn little brownish, then you will gonna move it out from the oil and keep it into the tissue paper so that the extra oil it will soak. It has to be served very hot. Before serving these fishes, let me put all the other fishes into the kadai, so that when I will going to serve all the fishes, these fishes also be done. I just can't wait to taste the fish, how well this fishes has turned out. So when these fishes are getting done into the kadai, let me serve the fishes that I have already fried. Serve these fishes hot and enjoy it hot. You can have it with simple boiled rice and the lentil curry, and with a half a lemon will give you a perfect taste of it. I hope you like this video and this video turned out a helpful video for you. So enjoy, give it a try at home. Enjoy.